Simplify expressions. Question 1. 4 square times 4 cube all to the power square minus 5 to the power 4 divide 5 square all to the power square. So it's these kinds of math are very important because here we are facing lots of law of exponent. Like here base are same. Once base are same in product, it means a to the power m times a to the power n. It will be a to the power m plus n. Therefore, we can write 4 to the power 2 plus 3. It means 5 to the power 2 minus. Same thing. Once base are same in division, power will be subtract. It means a to the power m minus n. So here we can write 5 to the power 4 minus 2, it means 2 and square. Again, a to the power b to the power c, we can write a to the power b times c. So here is a 4 to the power, here is a 5 to the power 3, it means 5 times 2, it's a 10 minus 5 2 square, it means 4. Okay. Now against 4 to the power 10, we can write 1 0 4 8 5 7 6 minus 5 to the power 4, it's a 6 25. Once we subtract, the result will be 1 0 4 7 9 5 1. This is our answer. I hope you cleared this one. Thank you. Question B. 3 cube divide 3 square all to the power 3 plus 8 to the power 4 times 8 cube all to the power 0. So we know once base are same in division, power will be subtract. It means 3 minus 2, it will be 1 to the power 3 plus. Here is 8 to the power 4 times 8 to the power 3, but more interesting thing, the power is 0. So any kinds of matter or any kinds of thing, if power will be 0, the result will be 1. So no need inside any calculation, it will be right directly, we can write 1. Okay. Now 3 to the power 1 to the power 3, it means 3 cube plus 1. 3 to the power 3, it's a 27 plus 1. Our result is 28. Very simple.